Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got something nice for you today. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to download videos and pictures from Facebook and Instagram. I know sometimes we get to save videos that we will have to watch later, but why have why do you have to spend data every single time you want to watch a particular video that you've seen before on either of Facebook or Instagram? Why don't you just download it straight to your phone so you can watch it offline like every other video that you download straight to your phones? So that's how I decided to come up with this tutorial. So you just sit back and follow the process religiously, and you'll be downloading videos straight to your phone gallery in no time. So this tutorial does not require any special app. So this process will also work on laptops and tablets and iPads and whatever devices, so long as the device has access to the internet and can access either Facebook or Instagram. So without further delays, let's get started. So you just head down to your web browser, and you enter this web address fdown.net/index.php, and I'll leave the link to these websites in the video description, so you can just click on it or just copy it, paste it into your browser. And let's download from Facebook first. So let's head down to Facebook, and let's go to the video section. Let's choose a short video for testing purposes, because if the video is large, it means we'll spend a longer time downloading it. So let's look for a short video, not a very long one, short clip.
My wife while she is on the phone.
How do I know when video is short? Okay, let me click on this. Okay, this video is just 6 minutes. So this is perfect. So for us to download, let's pause this. This video is just 6 minutes 11 seconds, so this is short enough. If we're to download longer videos like 1 hour or 2 hour videos, it will take forever for this tutorial to be complete. So we're going to be testing with a small video. So in order to proceed, you can come to this option and click on copy link, or you can click on the share and copy link. Whichever method works. So you can copy the link from here, or you can also copy the link from the other side. So once you've copied the link, you go back to your browser and you paste the link in here, and you click on download and allow it to process. Okay, sometimes this happens, especially if the video is set to private. You won't be able to download it, and in that case you might want to use a Chrome extension. But let's look for a video that is not set to private, and a video that a public video. Let's say this is long, this is just 3 minutes. Okay, let's try this. You should know that only public videos can be downloaded using this method. So let's try this. And there we go. This is the video right here. So you can choose to download normal quality or HD quality. We'll be using the normal quality, since this is a test. It's something that I've already tried before making this tutorial, so I know for a fact that it works. So the video is already downloading, and you can see it in the notification bar, 22 megabytes. That's going to take a while. So you know what will happen. I'm just going to pause the video, and when it's about to complete, I will I'll play it, and we can all see together. So I'm just going to pause the video right now. Okay guys, we are back. The video is almost downloaded, so let's just wait a little longer. It won't be any minute now. Yes, and there we go, video download complete. So let's head down to my video media player and go down to downloads. You can see it right here at the top. Haha. So that's a video straight to our gallery. So now that we know that we can use it for Facebook, let's head down to Instagram and test it on Instagram. So let's go to Instagram. and you can use it. The Instagram downloader can be used to download both videos and pictures and reels and whatever content that's on Instagram. So it's the same process. So we just look for a particular video. Let's hope this one is short. Let's see duration of this video. Is there a way to know the duration? I don't think so. So we're just going to hope that the video is short. Let's just hope so. Go to options and copy the link. Error. Okay, network error. Hope the network comes back up soon. Error. Okay, let me just turn off my data, turn it back on, and let's test it by going to the Android Play Store to see if it's browsing now. Okay, yeah, my network is back on. So let's go back to Instagram and copy the link. Oh, that video is gone. Let's look for another video then. That video is gone. Okay, let's look, use this one, copy link has been copied, and then you head down to this website. You don't use fdown.net to download from Instagram. You head down to this website, igram.io. The link will also be left in the description below, so you can just copy it and click on it and to take you directly to the website. So just like the previous one for downloading from Facebook, you just long tap and paste the link in here and click on download and wait for the website to process your request. I just hope the video is short. I don't want to spend forever downloading this. So what's the duration of the video? Not stated. Well, here we go. Download.mp4, and the video is downloading. Let's quickly check the file size. Oh, that was short. That was very, very short. 164 kilobytes. So let's head down to my media player, and you can see it right here. You can see new. So this is the video. You see? You see this? You see this? Straight to my video or my media player or my gallery. So that's how you download from Facebook and Instagram. You don't need any extra extensions or special apps. I think there's another method that I'll be releasing later in another tutorial, but for now, these are the quickest ways for you to download from Facebook and Instagram. If you find this video useful, please leave a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and hit on the notification bell so you will get future updates and future tutorials. Invite friends and loved ones to my channel, and till next time, see you guys. Bye bye.